Good morning, everyone. We are going to see what is mean by organizational behavior, and in this video we are going to see what is the nature and scope of organizational behavior. We are going to see what is the meaning of organizational behavior, how people interact with one another and their behavior inside an organization, and how this interaction between people will influence the working and performance of an organization. Interaction is very much one of the backbone of organization, as well as the interaction is a very profitable maker for their organization. We going to interact some other individuals or some other being employees or some other the colleagues. We going to interact is polite manner, that is called about a organizational behavior. It with interact with the influence of the working performance of an organization. Next we are going to see what all the nature is being having for the interaction manner. Nature is being very important one. First one is separate field of study. It's not a discipline manner. Not a discipline manner. That means it has so many people is having, so many disciplinaries is being having. That is this most important one, that is our organizational behavior. Next we are going to see what is a disciplinary is based upon a theory. Next we are going to see what is the interdisciplinary approach. Interdisciplinary approach is divided in three bases. What is on that? First one is psychology, and another one is sociology, and another one is anthropology. Psychology, it is depends upon only individual needs. Sociology, it is depends upon esteem needs of an organization. Anthropology, it is comes under what is the psychology it's having, and anthropology is having, and sociology it's been having. Next one is applied science. Applied science is most important of an organization. That means organizational, it is a very important thing. It's management of art as well as being science. Next one is normative science. Normative science, we know what is a normative. That is a very important one of an organizational. Next one is humanistic and optimistic approaches. What does mean by humanistic and optimistic approaches? It is the most important of organization. Human is being not responsible, it's relatable manner. That is the very important one. A total system approaches. Next one is the totem system approaches. It is the simple nature of an organization. That is the very important thing. Next we are going to see what is the scope of an organization. Scope of organization is divided into two parts. One is individual and another one is the group. One is the individual. What are the individual modes is being there? One is first personality, next one is perception, next one is attitude, and another one is the motivation, another one is job satisfaction, another one is learning, another one is value. First one is personality. Personality is being not having for their individual. They can't run for their organizational behavior. Next one is perception. You going to be in perceive something for their individuals. Attitude is must be and must bear for their organization. And motivation, we going to did motivation is 5 needs of motivation is being done. That is the basic one. Maslow's hierarchy theory, and so many theories is being done. That is the most important one, Maslow's hierarchy theory. Next one is job satisfaction. Job satisfaction, it is the underway of two-way theory. Next one is learning. Learning is very must one of the organizational. Next one is what is the value. Value is very important. Perception, it is comes under the value. That is a McGraw theory. That is very important one. Next one is group of individuals. What are the groups is being? That group is being dynamic, and group is being conflict, and group is being and communication manner. That is the very important one. Communication is we going to did previously. What does the organizational interact with the some other one? Communication is must one. Next one is leadership. What does mean by leadership? You going to lead something, lead a person, lead some employees. That is the most important one. Next one is power and politics. You going to having some other powers and of politics. If an organization you going to be in negative mood, negative to sustain for the what you going to be indeed for the organization. It is the most important scope of organization, that is the individual and group. Next one is we going to see that is the group individuals having a 5 dynamics is being there. Individuals is having, there are 7 dynamics is being there. That is the most important of organizational behavior. Thank you.